How's it going, gang? Well, we've done a few of these videos now, and some of you have been asking, when are you going to do a curry? Obviously curry is what we're known for, whether it's Indian, Thai, Malaysian, or any other type of curry really. We just love curry. So we've listened to all your comments, and today, by popular demand, we're making a curry! We're going to show you how to make a beautiful aromatic chicken curry, which is slightly spicy, with loads of layers of flavours. You can easily apply this method to tweak it to your own taste, whether it's more spicy, less spicy, or leave out the meat altogether and go vegan or veggie with just more vegetables. Right, I'm excited for this. Let's get cooking. It's curry o'clock. Time for my favourite bit, where we try the curry. You see that? give it a go. Get a nice big bit of chicken. Chicken's nice and tender. It does make a difference using thigh rather than breast. You could do breast if you want, but it just dries up a bit too much for me. Just get a bit of that sauce. You can tell a good curry because it's got layers of flavour. So when you first taste this, you can taste the cumin, the coriander, and a bit of that curry powder. And then what you get after is the lemongrass and the lime and the galangal. It's just nice and aromatic. My only complaint is it's not spicy enough for me. But I made this for my daughter later as well, so I've had to kind of cater this to her taste as well. So there you go. Give it a go yourself, but don't be shy. Experiment. Add stuff to it. Take stuff away, whatever you like. Make a vegan version. This with a load of veg in would work just as well. Broccoli, whatever you want to put in it, work really well. If like me, you like yours more spicy, you could use some different types of chilies. Like you could get those Thai finger chilies, and that would just give it a real kind of bold kick. Anyway, I'm going to eat all this before anyone else gets back so I don't have to share. Catch you later.